Hey everybody, we just got done drawing Piranha Plant
Piranha Plant
from Mario for Mario Day. This is the finished product. This is mine. This is Finn's. I think his turned out awesome. And we're going to show you how we did it. Let's jump into it. Okay everybody, to celebrate Mario Day, March 10th, we're also going to draw
Piranha Plant.
He said that like they do in Smash Bros. I wish I was good with Piranha Plant, but I am not. Okay, so we're going to draw Piranha Plant. We're going to start up here. This is going to be his head with all his teeth. And then it's going to come down here, and we've got to make room for the tube that he pops out of. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
You mean
so
Mario pipe?
yeah, the pipe. You're right. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw a V, a wide V up here. Okay? It's not going to be a narrow V. It's going to be a wide V like that. Okay? We'll start right here. Go down.
Right here?
And up. Just like that. Nice. And now we're going to round the edges like this. Nice. And then we're going to just connect another V down here below. Just like that. It's going to be his mouth, and we can draw the teeth like this. We usually do 3 on each side. But you can do more if you want. Nice. Okay. And now we're going to draw a big U, or like a half circle, like this.
It'll look on 3D.
Yeah. Now we can draw the little circles that are on the inside, just like kind of all over. Perfect. Okay, now we'll draw a straight line from the middle. Straight line down. Yep. Then on the other side, we're not going to go all the way down to equal this one yet. We're going to go down and stop right there. Okay, and then we're going to leave a little gap. Go down like this. I'll show you why. Perfect. Now right here, we're going to go out and out. Nice. And on here, on the other side, we're going to go curving up and out. Yep. And the reason why we did that is because now this looks like it's more toward us and it's popping out towards the page, and that side is going out away from the page. Makes it a little bit more 3D. So now we're going to draw the leaves. They look like this. Yep. We'll do the same thing on the other side that we've done there. We made that one a little bit more round. That's okay. And then we'll draw like a copy of the leaf on the inside of the leaves, but just smaller, like this. See this?
I mean, mine just have a lot of veins like everywhere.
That's cool. I like yours because it's different. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw these to go down a little bit. Now we're gonna draw the tube, so we'll go spur the pipe. Straight across. Then we're gonna go 2 straight lines down, straight across to connect the 2 straight lines. And then we'll go in a little bit and go straight down again. Straight in a little bit, go straight down again, and connect the 2 lines. And there's our Piranha Plant. Should we color it in?
Yep, that was fast.
That was fast. All right, there's our piranha plant. Yours looks awesome. I like the purple burp that he has in Smash Bros.
Yep.
That's clever. All right, well, we hope you guys had fun. Give a thumbs up,
Blink.
and we'll see you next time.
Bye.